Hi my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how I recreated this beautiful, soft, glamorous Kiara Advani inspired makeup look. This look is a recreation of Hum Nashe Mein To Nahi song from Bhool Bhulaiya. Oh my god, I love this song. This look is very glamorous, it's very gorgeous and it looks very elegant and chic. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe right now. And now let's get started. I'm going to prep my skin first. Having a cleansed and well prepped skin is very important before starting off with the makeup. Plus, you guys know that I have been suffering from pigmentation since a long time, so I have started using the Ayuga Kumkumadi range. I'm going to show you the complete range and a few effective face yogas that are extremely beneficial as a bonus to this video. So I just cleansed my face with the Ayuga 5% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance face wash. It's a gentle and very refreshing face wash, so you can use it every single day. It's got natural ingredients like saffron, mulethi and 5% Kumkumadi oil that helps to reduce dark spots and pigmentation and gives you a very beautiful natural glow. It is suitable for all skin types, so even if you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, you can still use it. So every product has a QR code, so you can just scan the QR code and know more about the face yoga ritual. So while using the face wash, I use the puffer pose yoga asana. So with my mouth full of water, I gently use my index and middle finger to apply this face wash, and I keep applying pressure and moving the water from the left cheek to the right cheek, and I do it for 20 seconds and then I wash my face. Next, I'll use the 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Face Serum. It's very hydrating and it's suitable for normal to dry skin. It's got a blend of natural oils and herbs like saffron, lotus extracts, which helps to fade dark spots, and it also reduces pigmentation and brightens the skin. So I do the puffer pose yoga asana for this. I just puff out my cheeks as much as I can and tap my cheeks and the rest of the face gently with my fingers, and I do it for 30 seconds till it gets absorbed. Next, I'll use the 10% Kumkumadi Skin Radiance Day Cream with SPF 30. This has also got a QR code with it, so you can just scan the QR code and you can check the yoga asana. It's got 10% Kumkumadi oil and saffron that brightens the skin and reduces pigmentation. It reduces dark spots, fine lines and wrinkles. It is very moisturizing and gives the skin a very healthy glow. It's also got SPF 30, which protects the skin from sun exposure. It is suitable for normal and dry skin, and since I'm 37 now, I use it constantly because it's ideal for dull and aging skin. So during the application, I do the V pose yoga asana. So I make a V between my index and middle finger, and I sculpt my jawline and cheekbones, avoiding any rapid strokes. And for the forehead, I hold the side of my forehead and massage it inwards and upwards. After application, I do the blowfish pose, and then I repeat step 1 and 2 at least 10 times. Again, you can just scan the QR code to check a quick demo of the face yoga. Ayuga's products are toxin-free, cruelty-free and PETA certified. You can purchase the products from www.ayuga.in, and the products are also available on Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. If you use my coupon code SUSH20, you'll get flat 20% off, and I'll mention the links in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. So my skin is all prepped and now I'm ready for makeup. So first things first, I'm gonna color correct my under eye area and the sides of my forehead. I'm gonna use the Sugar Face Forward Corrector Stick. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. This is something that I do in every video of mine. And if you have dark circles, you should color correct your under eye area before applying your concealer. Otherwise, your under eye area might look tired and ashy, which we don't want. Only color correct if it's necessary. At one point of time when I was new to this makeup thing, I color correct my whole face and I just looked like a pumpkin. My whole face was orange and it was not a good look, trust me. For my foundation, I'm going to use my trusty, which is the Forever 52 Glow Stick Foundation. This is in the shade Wheat. I love this foundation, you guys know. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face. This is a Plume Kabuki brush. I think it was in their limited edition. I don't think this is available anymore, but you can use any Kabuki brush that works for you. Just going to buff it really nicely. I'm going to use the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer and apply it under my eyes and heavily. You don't have to apply so much of concealer. You apply whatever amount you need. Next, to set my under eye area, I'm going to use the K Beauty Loose Powder. This is in the shade Banana. I'm going to take the same concealer brush, which is the PAC 219, and apply it under my eyes. I love how a loose powder can make the under eye area look so flawless and so airbrushed. This powder is really good. Also the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder is amazing. Now that my base is done, I'm going to move on with my eyebrows. And for my eyebrows, I'm going to use the same product, the Sugar Arch Arrival Brow Definer. There are certain products that I keep on using almost in every video of mine. Like I have my favorite foundation, my favorite concealer, and my favorite eyebrow product. How many of you guys have actually bought those products? Did you guys buy any of these? And if you guys have, then how do you like it? Just let me know in the comment section. Like always, I'm going to set my eyebrows with the Benefit Gimme Brow, and I'm just going to apply it upwards and outwards. I'm going to contour my face now. I'm going to use the K-Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette. I'm going to mix these two shades and apply it. So taking the La Cara F002 brush, I'm just going to pick these two shades. I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm just going to apply it on the sides of my forehead. Just touch it and my jawline. Contour is done. For my blush, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Monochromatic Multi-Stick. This is in the shade Dazzling Peony. This is a beautiful pink, and I'm just going to apply it directly on my cheeks. This is not a matte blush, it's got a little shine to it and looks very pretty. For my eyes, I'm going to apply the Kiro Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. This is in the shade Peachy Gold. It's weightless, it's very pigmented, it blends very easily and is waterproof. And it's actually very long wearing, because a couple of months back I went to Delhi for an event and I was wearing this Longwear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick. And it stayed on for a very long time, almost like 8 to 9 hours. It's just so easy to look glam by just applying this eyeshadow stick. It's got a subtle shimmer and it looks gorgeous. It blends very easily. You don't need to blend it actually. You just apply it and you're ready to go. It just saves so much time. I'll also apply it on my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to take the K-Beauty Contour Palette and pick up this warm brown shade and apply it on the crease of my eyes very lightly, just for a little bit of definition. Next, I'm going to take a kajal, and you can take any kajal you want. I'm going to use the Mamaearth Charcoal Black Long Stay Kohl, and I'm going to apply it on my upper lash line. Also tight line, and now I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. We are going to smudge it, so don't worry about being neat. Now taking a smudging brush, I'm just going to smudge the edges so that it looks a little soft and does not look this harsh, and also smudge the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara, and I'm just going to apply one coat because I'm going to apply false lashes, also on my bottom lash line. For my highlighter, I'm going to use the Mary-Lou Manizer. I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face, the top of my cheekbones, my nose, cupid's bow and chin. I'm also going to highlight my brow bone area. And I'm going to take this highlighter and apply it in the inner third area of my eyes and the inner corners of my eyes. I just applied false lashes, and these are the Prima Donna Lash from Benefit. Now I'm going to apply lipstick. I'm going to apply the Kiro Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip, and this is in the shade Pink Salt. This is a beautiful shade. It's such a pretty pink, and I'm just going to apply it all over my lips and then just dab it with my fingers. It's very lightweight and it's got a velvety texture. It's very hydrating also, and the color payoff is intense. It's such a pretty pink, and it's non-transferable. So my makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you did, then do recreate it and tag me on my Instagram. It's Sush Dazzles, and if you aren't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.